In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Messenger account from another phone. So first, let's open up Messenger and then click on the menu at the bottom right, then Settings, Account Center, and then Password and Security, where you're logged in. And here you'll see all the accounts they have basically connected to the Meta company. So here I have Facebook, Instagram, and one of them should be Messenger. So just select one. I'm gonna select the Facebook one for now, and then just scroll down and see where you want to log out from any device. So this is going to be the list of devices that you have logged in into that specific account. So if you select one, you can log out from it, as you can see. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.